Hey you guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. You guys, look, I did something different. I went a different color and I also did the viral TikTok high bun hair tutorial. So this hair is from SUNBERHAIR. It is their kinky straight reddish brown lace front wig, dark auburn color, human hair wig. Now this wig is obviously a full 13x4 lace frontal and I have it in the length of 22 inches. So if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then just continue to watch. Alright, so you guys already know I'm giving you a full unboxing. SUNBERHAIR sent so many goodies along with this wig, including some eyelashes, some nails, a bonnet, some makeup brushes, everything that you would need. Alright, so here is the hair. Once again, this is from SUNBERHAIR. It is their kinky straight reddish brown lace front dark auburn color human hair wig, 100% human hair. Just so you guys know, the particular color of this wig is a 33B, and even though it is a kinky straight texture, this particular wig can be straightened if you choose. And also that lace is so transparent and it literally melted right into my skin. Okay, so you guys already know I have to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb because I'm going to slick this baby back. After I do that, I'm going to cut the lace from around my ears and make sure the lace is fitting correctly. And it was. Once I get to that part, you guys will see that I did not have to do no extra work. So I literally just sprayed it right where it was at because it was laying perfectly. Alright, so once I took off the elastic band, the lace was laying beautifully. Now I'm just combing out the edges of that lace because we do not want crispy edges. That is not cute. Then I'm going to cut off all the additional lace that I do not need. Alright, so once I finish cutting off all that additional lace, one of the tricks that I like to do is spray some of that Ebin adhesive spray on the end of my rat tail comb, and I'll just dab it on the edges of the lace because I really want it to be melted. Some girlies, they like to use like lace melting spray or whatever. I use the Ebin adhesive spray, so I will have that linked in the description box as well. So once everything is finished, I'm just adding some makeup just to make the lace look a little bit more so like my skin color, really make it look like it's coming out of my scalp. Then I'm going to let it melt under the elastic band for like another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you guys, so now it's time for the styling portion. The lace is looking really good. I know you guys see my black sideburns. Honestly, we're gonna cover that as much as we can. I do have thick and long sideburns, and I am not willing to shave them off just for these wigs, okay? So now I'm just carving out the pieces that I'm going to curl, because remember, I'm doing a high bun. So I'm giving myself like these little like bangs, I guess you can say, and the sideburns, they're gonna be curled though with a curling iron. So I kind of did like this little heart shape when I carved it out. Now, a lot of the girlies that are doing this style on TikTok and stuff, they're actually doing bigger parts than what I did. I did kind of like the bare minimum. So if you want thicker bangs, you would just make the parts a little bit bigger. So if you're wondering, like, girl, you put your hair in a super high ponytail, how is the back not showing? Because this is not a full 360 wig, right? Basically what I did was I tucked some of the hair out of the ponytail. In the back, I kind of made it a little bit looser. Like, you guys see how the front is very tight and neat and stuff like that. The back is a little bit more messier, not too messy though, but I wanted to cover up the back as much as I could. And I also used some bobby pins as well. Bobby pins come in handy, girl. So that's what I used to cover up any lace or any spaces that was showing in the back. So right now I'm just going in with my hot comb, and I also use some scissors to cut some layers in that bang. Now remember how I told you guys how I was gonna hide my sideburns? I basically used the hot comb and I just like combed it down as much as I could without burning myself. That way it was laying flat, that way my sideburns weren't showing as much. And then I just used my curling iron for the bangs and the ponytail part. Alright, so everything is curled. Now, if you guys wanted like a tighter curl because you want some of the curls sticking out of the bun in itself, because I do see some girlies doing it that way as well, I would prefer that you use a curling wand. The curling wand would give you a lot more stringier curls. That way you could do the bun portion a little bit different. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just like tucking the hair in the bun, kind of. I'm just going around in a circle. I did do my curls all one way. That way this part could be a lot easier for me. And I'm just securing it with the bobby pins once I get it to the shape that how I like it. Alright you guys, so the proof was in the tutorial, okay? The hair is top quality, that lace is absolutely beautiful, and I think the style came out really cute. It's a nice formal style. So I will have all the information listed at the very top of the description box. Thank you SUNBERHAIR for sending me this beautiful wig and sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you test this look out for yourselves. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.